The IRF9540 is a popular P-channel power MOSFET that is widely used in power electronics. It is designed to handle high voltage and high current, making it suitable for many switching and power control applications. Whether you are repairing circuits or building your own projects, this MOSFET is a reliable component to know. One of the reasons the IRF9540 is common is because it can switch load efficiently. Instead of using mechanical switches or relays, many electronic circuits use MOSFETs because they work faster, creating less noise and last much longer. The IRF9540 is a P-channel MOSFET, which means it turns on when the gate voltage is lower than the source voltage. This is different from the N-channel MOSFET, so it is important to understand the correct way to connect and drive it in a circuit. The MOSFET can handle a drain to source voltage of up to 100 volt. That makes it a good choice for power supplies, battery operated systems, motor control circuits, and other applications where higher voltage are involved. Like many power MOSFETs, the IRF9540 comes in the popular TO220 package. This package is easy to mount on heatsink and making it suitable for projects that generate a significant amount of heat during operation. The IRF9540 is capable of carrying continuous drain current of up to around 19 ampere were properly cooled. In real world projects, the actual current depends on the factors such as the heatsink, ambient temperature, and PCB design. The three terminal of IRF 9540 are gate, drain, and source. The gate controls whether the MOSFET is turned on or off, while the drain and source provides the path for current flow through the device. One of the biggest advantage of the IRF 9540 is its low on-state resistance. When the MOSFET is fully turned on, it allows current to flow with relatively low power loss and improving the overall efficiency of the circuit. Although the IRF 9540 is a powerful MOSFET, it still requires the correct gate voltage for reliable switching. If the gate voltage is not low enough compared to the source, the MOSFET may not turn on completely and causing unnecessary heating. The MOSFET is commonly used in reverse polarity protection circuits instead of using standard diode that cause voltage loss. The IRF9540 can provide better efficiency by acting as an electronic switch with much lower resistance. Many battery powered device uses the IRF9540 as a high side switch. Since it is a p-channel MOSFET, it can easily control the positive side of the power supply without requiring complicated driver circuit in many designs. The IRF9540 is also found in DC motor controls. It helps to switch power to the motor efficiently while reducing the energy loss and making it is useful for robotics automation and DIY electronic projects. Power supply circuits often includes IRF9540 for load switching and voltage control. Its ability to handle high voltage and current makes it suitable for industrial equipments, laboratory power supplies, and automotive electronics. When using the IRF9540 in high current application, adding a suitable heatsink is highly recommended. Excessive heat can reduce the performance and lifespan of the MOSFET if proper cooling is not provided. Testing the IRF9540 with a digital multimeter is fairly simple. Most technicians use the diode testing mode to check the body diode and Verify that there are no short circuits between the drain source and gate terminals. If the IRF9540 becomes faulty, common symptoms include overheating, short circuits, failure to switch, or the connected load remain permanently on or off. A damaged MOSFET should always be replaced with a compatible part having similar specifications. When replacing an IRF9540, always compare important specifications such as voltage rating, current rating, package type, gate threshold voltage, and on resistance. Choosing the correct replacement helps ensure safe and reliable circuit operation. The IRF 9540 is suitable for hobbyist students and professional engineers alike. Its simple operation, wide availability, and strong electrical characteristics makes it a dependable choice for many electronic power applications.